Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs taste better. Let's begin by focusing on the fundamentals. Always start with the freshest eggs you can find. Their quality significantly impacts the final taste. A simple yet effective step is generous seasoning. Use a good pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For those who enjoy a little warmth, a tiny dash of red pepper flakes can add a delightful, subtle kick without overpowering the natural egg flavor. Next, let's talk about cooking technique and the right fats. Cooking eggs gently over medium-low heat is crucial. This prevents them from becoming rubbery and ensures a tender texture. For richness and a lovely mouthfeel, use 1 tablespoon of good quality butter or a drizzle of olive oil in your pan. Remember, the key is to avoid overcooking. Pull your eggs off the heat just as they are about 90% set, allowing residual heat to finish the job perfectly. Now, let's explore some fantastic flavor boosters. Fresh herbs are a game changer. A sprinkle of finely chopped chives, parsley, or dill can add incredible brightness and aroma. For a savory depth, try incorporating about 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese, like sharp cheddar or nutty Parmesan, right into your scramble or omelet. And for an extra fluffy texture, whisk in 1 teaspoon of cream or milk before cooking. Finally, let's add some delightful finishing touches. A dash of your favorite hot sauce can provide a zesty kick, or for a bright contrast, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice works wonders. Consider topping your eggs with 1 spoonful of vibrant salsa, a dollop of savory pesto, or some sweet caramelized onions. Serve your perfectly cooked eggs immediately on warm, crusty toast, or alongside a creamy slice of avocado for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.